In this video, I'll be showing you how to create required fields for your snippets. Let's start with a simple example using a text field. The text field needs a name to allow the error command to check its contents. I want my snippet to show me a warning message if my named field is left blank. Here's how I formulate that. In human language, we're asking, are the contents of my text field equivalent to nothing? In other words, is my text field empty? If the answer is yes, I want the error command to return this message. In its current version, this snippet shows me a warning if the field is left empty. But it still allows me to insert the snippet. If I want the field to be required, I can use the block setting. Now, if I try to insert the snippet while the warning is showing, I won't be able to do it. Now, let's try a snippet that uses a drop-down menu. I'm going to set up the first option to be Please Choose and make it default. I'm going to check whether the contents of my drop-down menu are Please Choose. If the answer is yes, I want the error command to return this message and block me from inserting the snippet. You can also use the error command with a multiselect menu. This time, the error command needs to check how many choices I made. Here are three variants. The first one forces the respondent to make at least one choice. The second one calls for a minimum of 2 choices. The third one requires a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 5 options to be chosen. Here's one more example using TESTREGEX, which we covered in a previous video. In this case, I'm using TESTREGEX to check whether the text in my field corresponds to the pattern of a valid email address. If you'd like to learn more about regex and TextBlaze, I recommend you watch the dedicated video. But if you just want to use the snippet from this video, you can grab it from the link in this video's description.